Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make legume the Haitian way. Miss the Artistic Sam requested this video, so I promised her that I was gonna make it, and here it is. So today I'm making white rice and black beans, so I thought this would complement it very well. So to begin, those are the ingredients that we will need. Cabbage, choux, eggplant, tomato, green bell pepper, piment vert, parsley, persil, thyme, thym, squash, militon, carrots, carotte, poireau, lime, and pepper, tomatoes, tomato paste, Maggi, girofle, sour orange in the back, then sour orange, salt and pepper, and vinegar. So the meat that I'm gonna be using, it's called, let's see if you can read this. It's called chuck roast boneless. So what you need to do is put some vinegar on the meat. You know, let the meat soak in some vinegar for about half an hour. Then in the meantime, the reason we're putting in there parce que nous pas chauffer viande bœuf, so the vinegar would destroy any bacteria in the meat. Then you're gonna season the meat and let it marinate for about half an hour. So we're gonna do this together, and I'm using this seasoning here because I'm kind of lazy today, and I don't have any fresh garlic, so it's called Canadian seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna show you about how much I'm using. Just a little, not too much. Let me wait a minute. Okay, I need an extra hand. Okay, let's see here. So I'm gonna season the meat. Okay, that's enough. And this has all the ingredients that I would add anyways. So like salt, black pepper, onions, red pepper. So it's pretty good. Alright, and some other things that I'm gonna be adding in the meat is poireau. So I'm gonna cut that with one hand. That's quite a challenge. Alright, let's see here. Or you can blend it. You can blend poireau with the garlic together. You know, that way you won't have to. Anyways, I'm gonna put it like this in here. And also I'm gonna add the piment in there. I'm missing one. Alright, and we're gonna add some parsley, and some thyme. That's too much. Yeah, that's enough. And we're gonna put some Maggi there. adding Jewel, so about this much, and some lime, some sour orange, oops, a little bit of sour orange, about this much. So after you soak the meat in the vinegar, you have to wash it because you don't want your meat to taste sour. So you have, the purpose of using the vinegar is to clean the meat and remove any bacteria. So at this point there, you can let it marinate, let it sit for about half an hour, and now we're gonna start chopping off the vegetables. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna need something to hold my camera. Okay. Maybe like this. Alright. So, this is the squash. So you peel this off. Take off the skin. And I put that in the water on the side. This is a great recipe, you know. It's very comforting, like the food, and it's very healthy too for your body. So and all my Haitian ladies should know how to make this, so that's why I'm showing it to you guys. Alright, so chop this. And now this is the cabbage, and we just, doesn't have to be even or anything like that, so alright. I'm making a mess here, as you can see. So and then now this is the eggplant that I'm gonna, you have to peel it and then slice it. So here, the ones I have, and you're gonna do the same thing for the carrots. You're gonna clean it, you know, and also cut it. So now I have, in this pot there, I have some hot water, and I'm gonna add the vegetables in there. You're gonna add all the vegetables, but I'm not done chopping them off. So, and on the next video, I'm gonna show you how to, the technique of mixing all of them together. Alright, mixing the meat and the vegetables. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.